Etsy ads work, but only under the right conditions. If we haven't met yet, I'm Sarah, and I help Etsy sellers get more organic traffic and sales by strengthening what's already working. So when they scale, it's actually profitable. So today, let's talk about Etsy ads, because the real question isn't will they work? It's will they work for your shop right now? And here's what you really need to know. Ads don't fix problems, they amplify them. If your listings are already converting well organically, Etsy ads can help you scale that. If your listings aren't converting, ads will just send more paid traffic to something that's not working for you. And that gets expensive really fast. So let's talk about when Etsy ads don't work. Ads are much less likely to work if you're not getting organic sales, if you're not showing up in search consistently, if your conversion rate is low, and if your keywords are not already bringing in buyers. They don't improve your photos, they don't improve your pricing, and they don't improve how clearly your product solves a problem for buyers. They just buy you more clicks. Now let's flip that. Ads work best when you already have some organic sales and your listings have good conversion rates. This means that buyers really understand your product quickly, and ads are going to build momentum on that because they'll get it in front of more people who want to buy your product. When ads are scaling something that's already proven, that's when they become profitable. And I want you to think of it this way. If you have a listing with a 1% conversion rate, that means you need 100 clicks to get that sale. That is going to be a more expensive ad than a listing that has, let's say, a 5% conversion rate and only needs 20 clicks to get the sale. If you're not sure if your shop is ready for ads or if you've tried them and they haven't been profitable for you, that's usually a sign that you need to look at the bigger picture first. Make sure you check out this video that's going to walk you through how to get your first $1,000 in sales without paying for ads. It's going to walk you through the core foundation that you need in your shop in order to get found in Etsy search consistently. Then make sure you sign up for my free live masterclass where I walk you through the Etsy visibility framework. I use this with my private clients to figure out why your shop isn't getting found, why your favorites aren't turning into sales, and what actually needs your attention before you scale. And if you've run Etsy ads in the past, I want you to tell me in the comments, were they profitable or did you just see more clicks that didn't convert for you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we are going to be talking about how to optimize your Etsy ads when you're ready for them.